guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole, and in today's video, I will be telling you all how to online shop. So in today's video, I will just be giving you all some really quick tips and tricks when it comes to online shopping. Just some things you should always remember. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. So I just have 4 really quick tips written down right here on my iPad, and the very first one that I cannot stress this enough, is to never, ever, ever pay full price. So there is always some kind of discount, some kind of coupon, just something that you can use. It doesn't matter what it is, there's always a coupon somewhere. So a couple coupon sites that I found are Retail Me Not, Groupon, Price Blink. There are literally so many coupon sites, and honestly, my favorite one, the one that I use faithfully, always, all the time, is definitely Retail Me Not. I use Retail Me Not on literally everything. It doesn't matter if I am shopping inside of the store, shopping online, it doesn't matter if I'm shopping for clothes, shopping for furniture, you can use Retail Me Not for literally any and everything, and it's so easy. And I will show you just how easy it is. So let's go to, let's say, Shein, and we're just going to, grab a few things and put it in our cart. So I'm going to grab this dress right here, this pink dress as well. This green outfit is super cute, so we're just gonna throw that in our buggy as well. And one more piece, I will just throw this graphic tee in there because I'm really getting into graphic tees recently. As you can see, my cart has 4 items in it right now, and I'm up at $61, but I don't want to pay $61. Who wants to pay $61? So we are going to go to Retail Me Not and type in Shein, and I don't have to type it in because I always put it in, so it's just saved there. And as you can see, there are so many different coupons you can use for whatever it is that you're getting, and depending on how much you're spending or how much is in your cart. So right here it says free shipping on orders of $49 or more. And as you can see, right now Shein has something happening where if you spend a certain amount, I'm pretty sure it's $50. If you spend $50 right now, you have free shipping. So I don't really need the free shipping right now. So this one says up to $30 off. So then you just click details and see that it takes $5 off your order of $59 or more, and so on and so forth. So $5 is good, but I feel like we can do better than $5. So let's see what this 15% off will get me. If I put in the $5 discount, this is how much it went down. As you can see, it worked, but I feel like we can do better. So let's do try 15. And yeah, like I said, we could do better. This one took off $10, and that is obviously so much better than taking off $5. So as you can see, there are just so many different coupons that you can try, that you can use and utilize. And the good thing about some of these sites, especially like Retail Me Not, is that you can connect it to your Chrome browser, and it will automatically offer coupons as you shop, and with the more that you shop, it will offer the coupons that you can use. So the only reason it's not showing it right now is because I'm using my iPad instead of my laptop or desktop, so I'm not actually using Chrome. But if you use Chrome, it will just offer those coupons to you if you connect it to your Chrome browser. The next tip is to always remember to compare similar stores. So depending on where you're shopping or where you're looking, there's always going to be a similar store that you can check out. I would say for clothing, if you're shopping at a store like Shein, you can definitely compare pieces from Shein, Runway, Zaful, and Blushmark. So all 4 of those stores are pretty much exactly the same. You get pretty much the exact same thing from each store. So why would you pay more at one store when you can pay less at another store? So the easiest way to do that, I think, is to just type in what you're looking for in your general search browser. So here I'm just going to type in a tie front top. As you can see, there are a ton of stores that offer pretty much the exact same thing. This top from Express and this top from VC, I think that's how to say that. Those are pretty similar, and you can also see the same thing from Misguided and Lulu's. Lulu's and Express, those 2 tops look pretty much the same. So as you can see, there are just so many different stores that offer basically the same thing and just different prices. The one from Express is like $20 more than the one from VC, and the one from Lulu's as well. So yeah, you can just type it into the Google browser. Sometimes it also helps if you just hit the shopping tab and scroll down and you can kind of get an idea of the prices at each store that you're looking at. The next tip I would give relates to sizing. So a lot of people question what size they should get when it comes to certain items. For example, in my Blushmark try-on haul, I mentioned that I really wish I sized up in my graphic tees. I really didn't think about how I wanted my graphic tees to fit when I ordered them. So I wear a size medium, and I ordered a size medium in my graphic tees, but I definitely wanted the graphic tees to fit oversized, so I should have sized up. You should always order things based on how you want it to fit. I know sometimes I want my bodycon dresses to fit like more fitted so that you can see the curves, you can see my shape. So I tend to order the right size, but that doesn't always work with every bodycon dress, and I'll show you. Let's go back to Shein for the example that I'm going to give, and let's go to dresses. So for example, here are two really good examples. When it comes to the orange dress with the ruching on the side, I definitely want this to fit more fitted. I want it to like hug my body so that you can see the curves in my body, and the ruching also gives that effect as well, so I know it would be really cute if I just order the right size. Again, I wear a medium, so in that dress I would probably order a medium or a small just because that's how I want the dress to fit. But with this purple dress, as you can see, there are buttons on the front of the dress. Now that is an important detail, and realizing that could definitely save you some money. With the buttons on the front, I'm not sure if you've ever put on a shirt or just anything with buttons on it, but if it's too small, you kind of get that stretch look. One second. Okay, so this is the first thing that I could find with buttons on it, and I will show you exactly what I mean. So as you can see, this part of the jacket is supposed to meet this part of the jacket and button, and it's supposed to look clean, just like this with the buttons. If I were to button it up and wear it, this is exactly how it's supposed to fit. This is exactly how it's supposed to look. But if this was too small on me, then it would look more stretched like this. I'm not sure if you've ever put anything on and you've seen this look, but because there are gaps between each button, it leaves room for a stretched look. If this was a zipper, it would be a little bit different. It wouldn't look as bad, but with the buttons, you have to be really careful because it would give a stretch look just like this if you ordered something that was too small. So again, when it comes to this purple dress, I would definitely be more careful with the size that I pick. So that's the process I go through whenever I'm picking out different sizes for different pieces. I think about how I want it to look on me and the details that are on the dress. Another good example would be like with this colorful dress right here. You can tell that the material is more of a stretchy material just by looking at the dress, but the colors are pretty dark. If you've ever had a detailed dress like this with stretchy materials, you know if you stretch it too much, the color doesn't look as dark and as rich as it does right here in this picture. So sizing is very important in a dress like this as well. You have to remember that if you get a size that's too small, the colors in the dress will not look like the picture. They will look lighter, they will look stretched out. So remembering to order the right size and pieces with detail like this is also super, super important. Tip number 4, and probably the most important tip, the tip that's going to save you a ton of money, is to always, always, always check the reviews. The reviews help you a lot. It gives you a better idea of what you're ordering, what you're purchasing, and lets you know if the pieces you're ordering are see-through, if it's good quality, if the pieces are too long, if they're too short, if they are true to size. You get so much from the reviews, so definitely always check the reviews. Especially if you're like me, I typically never order pants or jeans online just because I am tall. I'm 5'7" and I have really long legs and a shorter torso, so I have to be careful when it comes to ordering pants, or I will have some pants that, you know, are wide leg but stop at the ankles, and that's not the look I'm looking for. I just prefer my jeans to touch the ground if they are wide leg or boot cut or anything like that. And if they're skinny jeans, I kind of have a little more leeway for skinny jeans. But yes, I definitely always have to be careful about that. So I always check the reviews, and I look for people who give their height whenever they're trying on different pairs of pants or jeans. And I will give you an example of that. And we can go right back to Shein just because I know they have a ton of reviews on their pieces. So let's look for denim jeans. Let's say I wanted to order these wide leg denim jeans. These are so cute. They're high-waisted, which I absolutely love. They're fitted on top, which I think is perfect because that shapes your body. That gives you a nice little curved look, and then they go wider on the bottom. I think these jeans are so cute, but we can scroll down to the reviews and see. So as you can see, a lot of people are giving their reviews of the jeans, and honestly, it's rated pretty high for it being true to size, so that's good. But true to size does not mean perfect length. A lot of people need to realize that true to size means it fits. Let's see if someone gives their height. So this girl did. She gave her height. She says she is 5'8", and now we can see how the jeans fit on her. Again, I'm 5'7", so this would be the perfect person to look at. These jeans fit really well on her. Honestly, her review would make me consider buying these jeans because they are touching the ground. She's taller than me, and they're still touching the ground. They're high-waisted. They fit her pretty well, especially in the waist area, which is always an issue with me. I have a smaller waist and bigger hips, so finding jeans that actually hug my waist and fit my hips is always a challenge. But yeah, so this is a really good review for these pair of jeans. But I would not know that if I didn't look at the reviews. You just have to be careful with that. Always check the reviews. So yeah, that concludes this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys.